Join me as I dive into the world of finance and try to get expert money advice in just one day. Achieving financial stability and success is a goal for many of us, but it can be tough to know where to start. That's why getting expert money advice is crucial. It can make all the difference in helping you reach your financial goals and securing your financial future. Many of us have been there, stuck in a cycle of debt, struggling to make ends meet and wondering how we'll ever be able to save for the future. It's a stressful and overwhelming feeling, but it's not uncommon. In fact, millions of people around the world are facing similar financial challenges, from debt and budgeting issues to a lack of savings and investments. It's a complex problem that requires a comprehensive solution. One of the biggest financial challenges people face is debt. Whether it's credit card debt, student loans, or mortgages, debt can be a major obstacle to achieving financial stability. And it's not just the debt itself. It's the high interest rates, the constant payments, and the feeling of being trapped that can be so debilitating. Another major challenge is budgeting. Creating and sticking to a budget can be tough, especially when there are so many expenses to keep track of and so many temptations to spend. And then there's the lack of savings. It's estimated that millions of people have little to no savings at all, which means they're just one unexpected expense away from financial disaster. And it's not just the short-term savings that are a problem. Many people also struggle to save for long-term goals, such as retirement or buying a home. Finally, there's the issue of investments. With so many options available, it can be tough to know where to start or how to make the most of your money. So how can we overcome these financial challenges and achieve financial stability and success? The good news is that there are many expert strategies and tips that can help. For one, creating a budget and tracking your expenses can be a game changer. By knowing exactly where your money is going, you can identify areas where you can cut back and make changes to save more. Another key strategy is to prioritize your debt and focus on paying off high-interest loans first. And when it comes to savings, starting small and being consistent can make a big difference over time. Another important tip is to diversify your investments and avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. This can help you spread out the risk and increase your potential returns over time. And finally, it's essential to have a long-term perspective and avoid getting caught up in get-rich-quick schemes or trendy investments that may not be sustainable. By taking a slow and steady approach, you can build a strong financial foundation that will serve you well over the years. But what's the most impactful piece of advice or insight from an expert that can significantly change how you approach your finances? For me, it's the importance of having a wealth mindset. This means shifting your focus from scarcity to abundance and from lack to possibility. By adopting a wealth mindset, you can start to see financial opportunities and possibilities that you may have previously overlooked. This wealth mindset is about more than just making money. It's about living a richer, more fulfilling life. It's about being open to new experiences, taking calculated risks, and pursuing your passions and interests. And it's about recognizing that true wealth is about more than just financial wealth. It's about the wealth of relationships, the wealth of knowledge, and the wealth of happiness. By adopting this mindset, you can start to see your finances in a whole new light and make progress towards achieving your financial goals. In summary, getting expert money advice is crucial for achieving financial stability and success. By understanding the common financial challenges that people face, and by adopting expert strategies and tips, you can overcome these challenges and start building a stronger financial future. Remember, it's all about taking small steps consistently, staying committed to your goals, and adopting a wealth mindset that will serve you well over the years. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your own money tips and advice. And if you want to learn more about achieving financial stability and success, be sure to check out my next video on budgeting like a pro.